how to fix JioHotstar device got logged out problem. So if you want to fix JioHotstar device got logged out problem, then many users of the JioHotstar app are facing this issue where the account log out automatically. It shows session expired or asks to log in again and again. So if you want to fix this, then first you need to check your internet connection and make sure that your internet connection is stable. You can switch between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data once and try again. After that, you need to open the settings application. After that, you need to scroll down and then go with apps. Once you tap on apps, you need to go with manage apps. Under manage apps, you need to go and select JioHotstar. Once you find JioHotstar, you need to tap on it and then just scroll down a bit and you'll find clear data, which will be on the bottom right. Tap on clear data and then tap on clear cache and OK. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed, or you can also just simply go and force stop the application. Once done, you need to go back. You need to open up your Play Store. From the Play Store, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for JioHotstar. Once you find, you need to just simply go and update it, and after updating, your problem might be fixed. Just simply go and restart your device, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.